Hello, I'm Commander Baird of the Federation Fleet Museum. I would like to invite all of you to tour our facility orbiting 8th and Prime here at the Fleet Museum. We offer daily tours of some of the most celebrated Starfleet vessels to have ever ventured among the stars. Our staff is dedicated to preserving and restoring starship history. And today, you will have a chance to step aboard one of the finest vessels that Starfleet has ever produced. The U.S.S. Enterprise NCC 1701D, originally under the command of Captain Jean-Luc Picard. We've been implementing several accommodations to the Enterprise D to help meet the needs of museum visitors, including assigned group zones and increased capacity on turbolifts. A shuttlecraft is waiting for you up ahead, fueled and ready to fly you here to the Fleet Museum and onto the Enterprise D. On behalf of Starfleet and the United Federation of Planets, we hope that your tour of the Enterprise D will inspire a future among the stars. Enjoy your visit.
Now, show of hands, is this anyone's first time on a starship? I see you two in the front and the back. Hello. Well, I'll be the first to welcome you all aboard the Enterprise D. We're going to begin our tour with this lovely view provided by our atmospheric containment fields, or ACF for short. Anybody recognize that starship docked out there? Yes, that is none other than the Enterprise A. And as everyone, make sure we're all trying to go line here, alright? Here, are you okay? Gentlemen, you're in a bridge. We have an unknown entity breaking our ACF. I'm not going to get into what this thing is. Is everyone okay? Alright, okay, everyone, please remain calm, alright? I have to assess the energy zone. I'm going to break the sick bay. Everyone will be stationary, alright? Computer, doors! Silence everyone all the way, please. There's an anomaly on board. Can you bring these forward to station?
Yes, alright, everyone.
I'm all the way in, please.
Alright, stay fast. We're okay. You're gonna be okay. Should be safe in here. This is not a part of the tour. We are trying to figure out what's going on as quickly as we possibly can. Okay, that can't be right. There's no... Let me see. Maybe there's some kind of... No unusual readings there. Okay, let me try... All this old tech and none of it works right. What in the neutral zone is going on here? Computer, analyze the energy signature of the interference. Is it isolated to this area?
Anomaly present on decks 12 through 15, 16, 17.
How is that possible? There are no readings indicating
Yellow alert.
Yellow alert. Okay, that is not good. Whatever this thing is, it's on the move. Sync bay to engineering.
Unable to complete transmission.
Wait, now something's interfering with my comm badge. All right, everyone. I'm going to send you directly to engineering. If anyone here can figure out how to get systems back online, it will be them. Head straight for these corridors. Stay in your groups and be careful. We'll figure this out. All right? Go, everyone, as quickly and safely as you can. Engineering will know how to fix this. They'll get you to safety. You guys can get through now. 6 feet of bridge, we are in yellow alert. Tours on this deck right now.
Just stand by until Christmas and please.
Now is not a great time for a tour group. We are in something of a yellow alert.
Which means this is a dire situation, but we will figure it out. Which worker should not be in here right now?
It doesn't matter, they're here now.
What is this thing?
Whatever it is spreading to nearly every system of the ship.
Can you find a way to slow it down?
That's what I'm trying to do, but this thing keeps locking me out of systems override.
Oh, we get a reversible area. Simple algorithm.
So what for?
It's destabilizing.
We're losing magnetic containment?
Please, careful in the warp core.
Nothing's responding! Red alert, warp core, critical, immediate evacuation.
Which means we need to get everyone off this ship now.
To the turbo lift! Go to the turbo lift! Move quickly and safely as we
This is
can.
not a drill. I repeat, this is not a drill.
Everyone stay together. Get everyone in the turbo lift. We need to get you off of the ship immediately.
Stay with the group. Oh, there we go. Computer, acknowledge. Computer, door. Where's the transformer? Computer, door. All right, try again. Computer, transporter room.
Transporter route access denied. Rerouting.
Computer, what do you need? Computer, okay, computer, we need to evacuate everyone off the ship now. Where are you taking us? We're still going up. We're on a whole new bit. Computer, transporter room now. One. Okay, computer, emergency authorization. Delta 26914.
Bridge.
9. Bridge.
Bridge.
Bridge. You guys stay together. Everyone out on the bridge. Stay with your groups. Stay together, okay? Some along the back consoles as well. Stay together, stay together. All in. Turn on the transport. We landed at the bridge. Can you explain?
Yes, again, you can be by this console. Please, keep coming in. So everyone, here we are. Together.
Engineering, do you read me?
Locked out. Okay, let's go to the all offline.
Transmission request confirmed. Establishing comms.
Who's doing that?
It is the entity. It is accessing the ship's universal
Stand
transmitter.
by for incoming transmission.
Greetings. We mean you no harm. We apologize for concern. We were curious fascinated by your kind.
Computer scan and identify the entity.
There is currently no entry for this life form in the Federation database.
What?
You two were born of the stars. You will be remembered until next we meet.
Did we just make first contact? Yes. Yes. We need to report this to Starfleet Command.
But first, let us get all of you to the transporters. Bridge to transport, sending a tour group